In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a board on Miro in just a few simple steps, using the full 2025 guide. Whether you're working on a collaborative project with your team, or organizing your thoughts for a personal endeavor, creating a board on Miro will help you visualize and manage tasks more effectively. To start, open up your web browser and type in miro.com. You should see the Miro homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login page. Here you have a couple of options. You can either sign in using your email or opt for a quicker option by signing in with your Google account. For this tutorial, let's continue using the email method. Click on Continue with Email. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all your boards and even create new ones. Now locate the section that says Boards in this team. Right next to it, you'll see a button that says Create New. Click on that to start crafting your board. With the new screen in front of you, click on the option that says Board. This will initiate the setup for your new brainstorming space. Now that you have your board open, it's time to get creative. An important aspect of a board is its name, especially if you're working within a team. So go ahead and name your board. You can be as specific or as creative as you want. A well-named board can help ensure everyone on your team knows where to go for specific information. Now, to give your board a little extra personality, you might want to change the thumbnail. Thumbnails can make your board stand out and can be especially useful when scanning through multiple boards quickly. To do this, look towards the left of your board's name. You should see a small button that allows you to change the thumbnail. Click on it and you'll be presented with a variety of options. Browse through the thumbnails available and choose the one that best represents what your board is all about. After selecting a thumbnail, it will automatically update, giving your board a distinctive look. With all these steps completed, you now have a fully set up board on Miro. You can start adding notes, images and other elements to make this space as functional and insightful as you need. And that's it, you've successfully created a board on Miro using the full 2025 guide. With this new tool at your disposal, you can enhance your productivity and collaboration like never before. Remember, Miro is a flexible platform, so feel free to explore its many features to make the most out of your board. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.